we are no longer talking in English. You guys, you're going to have you're learning Mandarin, and you are going to have a conversation in Mandarin in front of all of us. And it will be preserved on camera on YouTube forever. It's really a Chinese thing where he responded to you as like, whoa. Yeah. That was awesome. Dude, he's doing well.
Very well.
Yeah? Where'd you learn? Where have you been studying Mandarin? So now is the moment when your confidence would get shaky.
天气不好。
The weather's bad.
Yeah, we could say that. 很多人死掉。
Oh, the earthquake.
Yes. Oh, 你知道，对，地震。
When you look out over this room and you see there are probably at least 40 different nations that are represented here. And even within those nations, lots of different cultures. And it's so interesting that, especially like now, that we have these opportunities in this day and age, like at a place like Penn State and in a room like this, to be able to enter in and out, go in and out of cultures, okay? And it's like, but there are a lot of obstacles to that. So we're just going to have a conversation about what some of those obstacles are. Language is a piece that's really important for entering culture. And you noted that you are studying Mandarin. You speak Mandarin?
Yes, I do.
So,
yes.
Bro, we are no longer talking in English. You guys, you're going to have you're learning Mandarin, and you are going to have a conversation in Mandarin in front of all of us. And it will be preserved on camera on YouTube forever. So go ahead.
我在说我的中文，
你中文说得很好。
不好。
你好。
你好。
你学中文多久了？
多久什么？
多久 ？Like time duration.
You can't speak English.
Oh,
no
I
English.
Can't know English.
No. We're back. You know where we are? We're in like you're from Taiwan. We're in a mountain village in Taiwan, and you don't speak any English, okay? And you just met this American guy walking down the road, and there's nothing but Mandarin.
我3年说中文，
学3年。
3年。
哦，怎么想学中文？为什么想学中文？
因为在我的高学，我觉得我在我的4年级，我觉得为什么不？对。然后我喜欢那个课，所以我在宾州州立大学我上中文课。对。
你觉得中文难吗？
什么？
中文很难吗？
对，现在我在实行中文，和我觉得特别是难。
我可以跟你说，我从台湾来。我从台湾来。我从台湾来。
哦，
我是台湾人。
对。OK， 好的。
然后我们最近刚发生地震。
我很好朋友他叫 Shayla， 他也是台湾出生。
他有来过台湾学生会吗？学生会。
有。
学生。学生。
他是学生在宾州州立。
学生社团。学生会。我不知道。
Dude, no, okay. How is he doing?
He's doing very well.
Dude, you know what you got from Oscar?
Yeah.
You got one of those like it's really a Chinese thing where he responded to you as like, whoa. Yeah. That was awesome. Dude, he's doing well.
He speaks very well.
Yeah? Where'd you learn? Where have you been studying Mandarin?
At high school, like 1 year high school and then here.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Whoa. Awesome, man. Dude, killing it.
He's very, very, very accurate. like his pronunciation.
So
Thank
meaning
you.
that if it doesn't work out to being a student government representative here, you can go to a university in China. Yeah.
Why not? Yeah.
Yeah, go for it, dude. Yeah, they'll take you. They love Americans, don't they?
Yeah.
Yeah, all right. You can go to Taiwan, let's say. All right, so listen, now Oscar's going to have he's going to say some things to you, and you have to say what he's saying in English to the class.
Oh, okay.
All right? He's going to, yeah, so you're the interpreter. So listen up, class.
Good to go?
Yeah.
Yeah. 所以台湾最近地震 like 地震 震 like
Taiwan is flat.
地震 They don't have that in the States.
No, okay. Wait,
地震
wait. So listen, we got your confidence up, right?
Yeah.
So now is the moment when your confidence would get shaky, okay? And remember, so here, one of the reasons, let me tell you what's going on here, right? First off, let me just ask this. How do you feel?
I feel okay. A little nervous.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
How do you feel about the fact that, like he's saying, yeah, you're doing a pretty good job?
It's encouraging. I don't think my Chinese is that good, so it's nice to hear that.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
So that's good then. Like that means you're also taking on some of that culture. Remember we had the conversation about East Asian cultures and people sort of downplaying their own abilities? So you got that. Because you're supposed to say, yeah, my Chinese is terrible, even when he says, no, it's really good, but you're supposed to keep saying, like, no, it's terrible. And that's like a doorway into the culture. So have you ever spoken Mandarin? And by the way, we say Mandarin, but when people talk about Chinese, speaking Chinese as a language, what they're usually saying is they're talking about Mandarin. And Cantonese is the language that's spoken in southern China and in Hong Kong. But most people, Chinese speakers, if you say Chinese, we're talking about Mandarin. Okay, so okay, so you're feeling pretty good, right? But now is when it's going to get difficult. So do your best to interpret for him, because we want to convey some information to the class. Okay.
台湾地震灾难
Where?
No 灾难
Oh,
地震
Southern.
天气不好
The weather's bad.
Yeah, we could say that. 很多人死掉
Oh, the earthquake.
Yes. Oh, 你知道对地震
Okay.
对
Taiwan had an earthquake.
然后25年来
Could you repeat
最
it
大
all?
台湾有个地震
Taiwan had an earthquake.
25年最大的
25年
25年
25
年 like 今年
50 years ago.
25
Oh, 25.
Yeah 25年
25 years ago.
最大的
That was bigger. That was the biggest earthquake ever 25 years ago.
Yeah 很多人死了
Many people died.
很多人不见
Many people were hurt, injured.
Yeah
We're lost.
受伤 Yeah
We're missing.
Yeah 然后国际学生来学生我
Furthermore, 国际
来国际
my
来 world war 国家
Oh, 国际 country.
Yeah
Country.
我想要帮台湾想要帮
Oh, many people around the world helped Taiwan.
Yeah.
Like that.
我想要帮台湾我
I
Yeah 想要
Oh, I want to help Taiwan.
Yes
He wants to help Taiwan.
募款
Recover?
募钱
Make money.
Yes 募钱
He
来
wants to help
帮助地震
Okay, he wants to help Taiwan raise money to deal with the earthquake.
对
Awesome.
Yeah
Awesome.
Yeah
Awesome. That's great.
我们在滨州
Here at Penn State, we
有个面包卖点心卖
we can buy.
卖
Oh, sell. We can sell.
Yes 卖点心，
点心，点心，
台湾的点心，食物，
食物，
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 食物。
食物，点心，吃的，
We can buy things to
我
eat.
们卖。
Oh, we can sell things to eat to
Yes.
make money.
Yes,
Dude,
you're getting.
dude.
所以希望大家，然后星期一，
We hope hope that on Monday
那在 Hub，
in the hub
卖点心
you buy things.
卖，
You sell things, sorry,
然后帮台湾
to help Taiwan.
Did you get the whole picture?
I think I did. So
Okay.
Taiwan had an earthquake, but 25 years ago there was the biggest one. It rivals that one.
Yeah.
And to help,
我希望
I hope that to help Taiwan, he wants to help Taiwan by selling food items at the hub, and he hopes that on Monday you come to buy some to assist in raising money for the earthquake relief efforts.
Dude.
Oh, that's.
Yeah. Awesome, man.
There you
Dude.
go, brother.
And okay, so it's perfect that you are the incoming UPUA student body president, because this is a student group. So this is your job, is to support, one of your many jobs besides to take complaints from students, is to support various student groups and all the causes that they're doing.